Hey there, savvy shoppers. Welcome back to our channel, where we help you make the most of your money in 2025. Today, we're diving into video 467, how to use Lucky Supermarket digital coupons. If you're tired of clipping paper coupons and want to save time and cash, this is for you. Lucky Supermarket has upgraded their digital system for 2025, making it super straightforward. Let's jump right in. First things first, you'll need to download the Lucky Supermarket app. Head to your phone's app store, whether it's Google Play or the Apple App Store, and search for Lucky Supermarket. Once it's installed, open the app and create an account if you haven't already. This is quick. Just enter your email, set a password, and verify your details. Don't worry, it's all secure. Now, the fun part: finding coupons. In the app, navigate to the Deals or Coupons section. Lucky has refreshed their offerings for 2025, with personalized recommendations based on your shopping history. Browse through the available digital coupons, like discounts on fresh produce or everyday essentials. To add one, simply tap it and select Add to Wallet or Clip Coupon. These will be linked to your account for easy access. When you're ready to shop, head to your local Lucky Supermarket. At checkout, whether you're going in-store or using online pickup, make sure you're logged into the app. For in-store use, scan the QR code on your phone at the register, or if you're shopping online, the coupons will automatically apply when you check out through the app. Pro tip: double-check your total to ensure the savings are applied. It's a game changer for 2025. One more thing. Lucky now integrates with popular reward programs, so you might earn extra points while using coupons. That's a win-win. If you run into any issues, the app has a helpful chat support feature. There you have it, folks. Using Lucky Supermarket digital coupons in 2025 is easier than ever. Start saving today and let us know in the comments how much you rack up. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more money-saving tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.